little robin hopping over there. He's all like, "What you doing, Mr. Robin?" The neighbors finally mowed their yard, so it's like, woohoo, fresh grass. Look at the birdie. He's like getting all excited watching his little paws. He's like, "Don't go nowhere." Is the bird still out there? Yeah, it is. I don't know what happens if they. Oh. He's like, "Oh, I want it. I want that bird." It's all hopping around out there. It's like doo 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 doo. Well, Patches. I know. Oh, it left. He's like, "No, my bird." Yeah, I was recording you. He was sitting there playing with the little purse. It's okay, Patches. There'll be another one later. Say good morning, guys. And thanks for watching. I might have to take a nap.